Welcome back, guys. This is Cryptomining for Beginners section, part 2. Welcome to God's Favor Home Solution channel. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a site I made mention of in the previous video. If you guys watched it, I don't know, but I'm sure you must have watched the video. So in the previous video, I made mention of you getting the mini wallet in order to start up your cryptocurrency mining, and I also listed some websites we are going to be working on. So today, this is one of the best websites I've been working on without complaints, without issues. So before we proceed, I would like you guys to make sure your mini wallet is ready. You've signed up on the site, you've created your wallet, and everything is set and ready to go, because the email you used in your mini wallet is what you're going to use on this site if you want to withdraw. So this is addbtc.top. As you can see, I'm on the site already. So once you click on this site, this is where it's going to bring you to. So if you haven't signed up on the site before, you just click on sign up, then you use your email, you use and open your mini wallet, your password, and you complete the captcha, and you're good to go. So me, I've already signed up. So what I'll just do, just click on login, and it will take me to my dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard. You can see my balance I have here, 165 satoshis, and on this site you get to withdraw just 2 coins, BTC and USDT. So you can see when I click on these three lines above, you can see my balances are showing here. This first one is for my BTC, while this other one is for my USDT. As you can see on this site, withdrawal of BTC, you need to have up to 200 satoshis before you can withdraw to your faucet pay. You can see the options here: to faucet pay, to BTC address. To BTC address, that means your main wallet, your main crypto wallet, not your mini wallet, your main crypto wallet. For me, I make use of Luno crypto wallet. That is a main crypto wallet I make use of apart from my mini wallet. So if you want to withdraw to your BTC address, which is your main crypto wallet, you can see the minimum withdrawal is 50,000 satoshis. That is way too much. But if you're withdrawing to faucet pay, you can see minimum withdrawal is 200 satoshis, while the maximum is 30,000. And you can see I have 165 satoshis, so I'm closer to the 200 satoshis. And again, a good thing about this side is the withdrawal is fast, no issues on it. Let me show you an example. Let me show you my withdrawals so far on this site. You can see below, you can see my withdrawals on this side. You can see this is the first one. You can see them. You can see them. I've been withdrawing from this site with no issues. You can see this is for my BTC. You can see them. You can see this is for my BTC. You can see this is a testimony that this site is legit, 100%, no issues, as you can see. So now let me show you from my USDT, because the same way for my BTC, same way for my USDT. So if I don't want to click on this withdraw, I can click on this wallet icon here. It will take me to, you can see this is my USDT. You can see my withdrawal so far on USDT. You can see, and the minimum withdrawal for USDT is 0.01 on this site. You can see it. Let me show it to you. If I click on withdraw to faucet pay, you can see minimum withdrawal is 0.01 USDT. That's if I'm withdrawing to my faucet pay. But if I'm withdrawing to my main wallet, the minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT if I'm withdrawing to my main wallet. So you can see the amount I have in my USDT, 0.008. So I have not gotten to 0.01. So let's get started on how to get more coins. So you click on this soft ads under this N segment and section rather. Click on soft ads. That is for the BTC. You can see sub as USDT below. This is for the BTC. So I just complete this process, the mathematical expression. As you can see, I don't have ads for BTC now, so I go to the USDT part. Let's see what we have here. This site is 100% legit. You can see I have an ad on USDT, so I click on open. It will pop up another window, then I click on there and go back to the window and wait for the timer to finish counting. Once the timer finish counting, I'll be credited this price. You can see the price there, 0.00096 USDT. So you can see I have 0.00924, so I'm almost close to the minimum withdrawal. So let me solve one more. Okay, go back, wait for the timer. I think after this I should be able to get to the minimum withdrawal. So I would show you how to withdraw from the site. The site is legit, not too much ads, not too much adverts. It's just a straight and plain site, not too much adverts. Just solve your ads, get your coins and withdraw, and that's all. Okay, I'm going to close this window. All right, so the checking, let me refresh it. Okay, click on this. Okay, so remember, you need to set up your mini wallets first before you start up crypto mining. Okay, because that is the first thing you need to do. You need to get your wallet ready. As you can see, I've gotten to the minimum withdrawal. So let me just solve this one more ads, then I'll show you how to withdraw from the sites just after this. Okay, I'll show you how to withdraw. So like I was saying, you need to get your mini wallets ready, your Faucet Pay mini wallets. In the previous video I made mention of that, and I dropped the link on how to create your own mini wallet. So if you've not watched it, you can go back to watch it and you will see how to create your mini wallet and where to get your wallet addresses for each of the coins in the app. So now let me show you how to withdraw. So now there are two ways. Is either you click on this wallet. You know, this first one is for BTC, while this is for USDT. Either you click on this two or you click on this withdraw button here. You can see, but if you're clicking on this withdraw button here, that means you're withdrawing BTC. It won't take you to USDT. So instead of that, you click on this wallet in this USDT section. You can see it will bring you to Faucet Pay. So what do you do next? You click on Faucet Pay. Okay, you can see I've already imputed my wallet address there, which is my USDT wallet address from my Faucet Pay. You can see there, my Faucet Pay, the USDT wallet address is there already. So what do? I just click on this amount. Okay, I put the amount 0.01, then input my password. Okay, and what do? I click withdraw. You can see it's success, and that's it. So if I'm to check next, I'll refresh to make sure that yes, my coin has been withdrawn. You can see it now. You can see the balance I'm having now. So you see I have now let me check it to confirm that yes, I made the withdrawal. You see here, you can see that I've made the withdrawal. You can see it here, will be sent on the 24th. You can see it. So, and funny enough, the best part of it is before this 24th, I would be credited this amount into my Faucet Pay account. That is one interesting part about this site. Withdrawal is fast, no issues, and it's one of the best sites when it comes to cryptocurrency mining. So guys, watch this video, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your families, tell your loved ones, share this video to everyone. cryptocurrency is real and you can mine from your phone. Okay, so guys, watch out for the next video. Thank you and God bless you all.
I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. Yeah. I'll put you in front of, hey, in front of my destiny. You are all